msalapgi. Wadanyake imbo mar piny Kenya. Gavana ma kaunti ma Trans Nzoia, George Natembeya, onyiso apisas mag piny owacho ma kaontino ni gibiro ting'o msalapgi giwegi poni ibiro yudgi gi ketho mar tiyo marach gi apis kod ketho mag mibadhi. Natembeya ne wuoyo ma Kitale e kinde chenro manono kaka jotend migepe ma kaontino tiyo, kamano jiwo jotelogo mondo omi ochiw thuolo mag tije ne rawere mantiere kaontino. Bende ogolo negi chik mag tieko chenro mag dongruok ma osebedo kadhi mbele kaontino, kendo jogo manomiyo rak matimo chenro mag piny owacho wacho ni mondo ochul kaka owinjore.
Priorities of the Department of Education, financial stewardship and discipline, to ensure effective service delivery, to promote
constant changes in procurement plans. They must be flagged out because it means you're doing things that you don't understand. Because don't do a procurement plan, then after 1 week, 2 weeks, you want to change it. It delays project implementation. And you do that, you made commitments about that 5% ACPO, and ACPO specifically are going to target Nawiri. Make very deliberate efforts. That's 5% of all procurements going to women, young people, and persons living with disabilities. And local content also means that you're going to focus majorly on the people of Trans Nzoia, because devolution is about bringing resources to our county, and the resources must go to the lowest levels. I just want all of us to operate within the law. Mambo ya cutting corners and asking people to cut corners, that one is done. Please, 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 please. Let us read it very, very clearly.